gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're going down to Park City for another car show. I don't know if it's going to be the last car show of the season, but it's definitely starting to cool down, so who knows how many are left. We're actually on time today, which is kind of surprising. Normally we run late to these events, but we're on time. We got an extra brother here with us, so it'll be a fun time. Now that we got a pack mule to carry the camera gear around, but don't tell him. So we have arrived. Let's take a quick look. We're here a little early, so not all the cars are here yet, but there's already a lot. I mean, we got them way over there, all the way around. It's gonna be fun. Now I just gotta track down my brothers really quick because I lost them already. Okay guys, that's gonna wrap it up today, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.